4-5 साल पहले there was a time when I could not sit with myself and read a single page of a book. I could not sit and watch a documentary properly. I couldn't complete a single course I was purchasing. I was jumping from one thing to another, to the third, to the fourth, to the fifth with no focus. Today, I've uploaded over 2,000 videos on YouTube and social media platforms, built a 25% business, published 2 books, one of which is an Amazon bestseller, and all of this was possible because of this one secret I learned about my brain. And that helped me to trick my brain into doing the hard things every single day. And if you watch this till the end, you learn exactly how you can do it with your life as well. But first, let's take an example of what your average day looks like. आप सुबह उठते हो, अपना फोन उठाते हो, उस पर कुछ रील स्क्रॉल करते हो, थोड़े से ईमेल चेक करते हो, फिर इसको फोन को रख करके आप जाते हो ब्रश करने के लिए, फिर आप नहाते हो, एंड फिर आप सोचते हो कि अब क्या करूं आगे, कॉफी पीऊं, जिम जाऊं, कुछ अपना नेटफ्लिक्स देखूं, क्या करूं. आप कॉफी बनाते हो, कॉफी बनाते हुए आप नेटफ्लिक्स पे कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑन करते हो, बैठ के आप वो देख रहे होते हो. अगला 1 घंटा आपका नेटफ्लिक्स पे जाता है, फिर आप नहा के आते हो, फिर आप सोचते हो मैं कपड़े क्या पहनूं, शुड आई वेयर दिस, शुड आई वेयर दैट, शुड आई वेयर समथिंग एल्स, कौन से जीन्स पहनूं, कौन सा पैंट पहनूं, कौन सा टी शर्ट पहनूं, कौन सी कलर की टी शर्ट पहनूं. उसके बाद सोचते हो कि खाना क्या खाना है, शुड आई ऑर्डर समथिंग फ्रॉम जोमैटो, या फिर घर पे कुछ बना लूं, क्या बनाऊं एग्जैक्टली. तभी कोई आपका दोस्त फोन कर लेता है आपको, तो आप बैठ के उसके साथ अगले आधे घंटे 1 घंटे बात करते रहते हो. फिर खाना खाते खाते आप अगेन अपना फोन लेकर के रील स्क्रॉल कर रहे होते हो. फिर आप देखते हो कि आपका दोस्त मलेशिया में वेकेशन कर रहा है, बाली में वेकेशन कर रहा है, जापान में जा रहा है, फोटोज डाल रहा है, सेल्फीज डाल रहा है, रील डाल रहा है. फिर आप सोचते हो कि मेरी लाइफ ऐसी क्यों नहीं है. नाउ हियर्स अनदर डे इन योर लाइफ. यू वेक अप, यू ड्रिंक 1 liter ऑफ वाटर, यू गो take a shower. During the shower, you're thinking about how can you advance your career? How can you improve your skills at editing or design or code? After the shower, you wear the clothes and you get to work. You put in 1 hour of focused work. Afterwards, you drink a cup of coffee. You're thinking about the amazing dinner you had last night with your parents. After which, you go and hit the gym. Gym karte hue, you're thinking about how can you improve your communication skills? How can you look better? How can you improve your skin, how can you improve your muscles. You come back from the gym, rest for some time, have a good meal while talking to a friend and actually indulging in the conversation, and then you again get back to work. Did you notice the difference? In both of them, you're having multiple thoughts throughout the day. The only difference being the decisions that you are making in the first and the second one. पहले वाले में you are unclear about your day. मैं क्या खाऊंगा, मैं कहाँ जाऊंगा, मैं किस चीज पे काम करूंगा, मैं क्या चीज देखूंगा. And the second one, your life is on autopilot, which means you don't have to ever think कि मुझे क्या करना है आगे. It's all planned out right in front of you. You are just executing. You are essentially in a state of flow where everything is programmed for you and you are just thinking about the essentials. How can you improve your relationships with your friends, with your loved ones, with your parents? How can you improve your career? How can you improve your health? These are the 3 things that you're focusing on, and the rest is taken care because you've programmed your day that way. The brain has over 80,000 thoughts every single day. Imagine having thousands of thoughts every single hour through your head. Every day, your brain is making more than 35,000 decisions on everything that you are doing. Now think of your brain like a container, and every thought and decision you're making is occupying space in that container. सुबह उठ के जिम जाऊं, नेटफ्लिक्स देखूं, वीडियो गेम खेलूं, क्या करूं? That occupies space in your brain. There are 2 kinds of decisions: high impact decisions and low impact decisions. Low impact decisions are the ones that you're taking every single day. ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाऊंगा, कपड़े क्या पहनूंगा, जिम से पहले कॉफी पीऊंगा या फिर उसके बाद पीऊंगा. All of these decisions are the ones that you make every single day, and it occupies space in your brain, because of which you are unable to have thoughts which can have higher impact in your life. How can you become better communicator? How can you improve your skill? How can you get a better job? How can you increase the money that you're making? How can you create new relationships with people? How can you deepen the relationship that you have with your loved ones? All of these are thoughts which are really important for you to focus on. But you are wasting your time and bandwidth and cognitive energy onto the low impact thoughts, which means at the end of the day you'll be left with zero space in your brain to actually think about what matters in your life. इस कंडीशन को लोगों ने डिसीजन फटीग नाम दिया है, जिसके अंदर यू हैव सो मेनी डिसीजंस टू मेक एवरी सिंगल डे कि कुछ और सोचने का, कुछ और ट्राई करने का, कुछ नई चीज इंप्लीमेंट करने की एनर्जी और बैंडविड्थ ही नहीं बचती आपके दिमाग में, बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू कीप लिविंग द सेम डे एवरी सिंगल डे एंड यू आर स्टक इन द लाइफ, इन द थॉट्स एंड द क्लटर around you. The secret to winning the day starts even before that day, the night before the day when you are about to sleep. You take a piece of paper and you open up Google Calendar. Google Calendar, guys, is the most underrated resource out there that can truly transform what you can achieve every single day. You take a piece of paper and you write down what is a needle moving task or project that I need to work on tomorrow, which will help me move ahead in life. Completing an assignment, taking up a new skill, creating new projects, taking feedback from people, meeting new people. All of these are tasks which will get you closer to the goal that you have in life. Just write it down on a piece of paper and put it right next to your bed. Next up, open up Google Calendar and schedule every single hour. What will you be doing? Where you will be doing? Everything to the most granular detail. Everything from when you will wake up, what will you eat, what will you drink, what will you wear. It needs to go on the Google Calendar. Because once you do that, you wake up the next morning, look at Google Calendar, you know आपको अगले घंटे क्या करना है, इस पूरी सुबह क्या करना है, and what is the most needle moving task that you need to accomplish. So you're no more wasting time in the low impact decisions and you're focusing on just executing. आप सुबह उठते हो, जाकर के जिम करते हो, फिर आप नहाते हो, आप अपने काम पे फोकस कर रहे हो, and all of this enables you to zone out your brain. Your brain is no more actively working, right? You are going for a walk, you are taking a shower, you are in the gym. Your brain is taking a backseat, and that is the best thing that you can do because that is how you enter into the flow state. You are just doing things effortlessly, and your brain now has time and capability and the bandwidth to think about other things in life that really matter to you. Now, some of you will say कि भैया ये तो बहुत गलत लग रहा है. This feels like a jail. This feels like you are constraining my day. No. I am not constraining your day. I am not putting you in a jail. When you schedule every single hour on Google Calendar, you know everything you need to do. And that creates freedom. You no longer need to think मुझे करना क्या है. You are just focused on executing tasks. And that is super powerful. So one question you might have is, bro, my brain is cluttered and stuck. I am mentally blocked and I'm not able to think better. The best thing you can do in this case is, number one, take a piece of paper and write down everything that you are feeling. पूरा जो कचरा आपके दिमाग में है ना, उसको उड़ेल दो on that piece of paper and write down everything that you are thinking about. आपके पेरेंट्स क्या बोल रहे हैं, आपकी क्रश ने आपको क्या बोला, आपका दोस्त है उसने आपको धोखा दे दिया, आपकी जो स्किल है आप उस पर काम कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो, अपने एग्जाम में पास होगे कि नहीं होगे, आपके सारे थॉट्स, सारे डिसीजंस, जस्ट पुट इट डाउन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर बिकॉज दैट विल फ्री अप योर मेंटल बैंडविड्थ. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू गो ऑन अ वॉक इन द नेचर. घर के पास कोई भी गार्डन या फिर फुटपाथ हो तो वहां पे जाकर के जस्ट गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग वॉक. Right? This is the best thing you can do for yourself. अपने कानों में just put up binaural beats. Right? Binaural beats are the ones that will help you focus and will let go of all the distractions. Just search on Spotify or YouTube binaural beats and you will find it and just listen to it while you're going for a walk. Just do that और कुछ भी मत सोचो. Just keep walking and that is when your brain will start having new thoughts. Your brain will start having new perspectives and new topics to think about. The next step is you come back from your walk, look at your room, look at your house and clear the clutter. Every single thing that is around you is creating a thought and is distracting you from what truly matters. So look around your room, around your bed के ऊपर क्या चीज़ें पड़ी हुई हैं, around your table पे क्या चीज़ें रखी हुई हैं, in your wardrobe में क्या क्या रखा हुआ है, and start to declutter all of that one by one. इससे क्या होगा, your brain will never get distracted with anything around you. You will only have the bare minimum that you are using every single day or for the task at hand. एक syndrome है जो I think बहुत सारे लोगों को होता है, which is called as the shiny object syndrome, जिसके अंदर क्या होता है, you are basically having so many thoughts around you and you are shifting your context and your brain thoughts from one to the other. आप सुबह उठते हो, आपके सामने कुछ कपड़े पड़े होते हैं, आपका थॉट जाता है कि अरे भाई मैंने कपड़े पहने थे उस पार्टी में, अरे भाई मैंने कपड़े वहाँ से खरीद के लेके आया था. आप फिर उठते हो, अपने टेबल पे जाते हो, आप एक कुछ किताब पढ़ी होती है जिसको आप यूज़ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, आपका थॉट जाता है अच्छा ये मैंने किताब पढ़ी नहीं अभी तक यार, अच्छा किताब से मुझे ये कुछ सीखने को मिला था यार. Everything is distracting you. is taking mental bandwidth away from you and उसकी वजह से आप कुछ अच्छा अपने लाइफ में नहीं कर पा रहे हो. The best thing you can do is to declutter everything in your room. Take a garbage bag and सब कुछ उसमें थ्रो करो. अगर कुछ फालतू की चीज़ें हैं, कुछ यूजफुल है तो उसको अंदर कहीं पे स्टोर करो एंड हैव स्ट्रक्चर अराउंड यू. जब आपका सराउंडिंग स्ट्रक्चर्ड होंगी, व्हेन यू विल हैव नथिंग बट द बेयर मिनिमम, योर ब्रेन विल एक्चुअली बी एबल टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट ट्रूली मैटर्स. थोड़ा और डीप जाते हैं इन आवर ब्रेन. सो यू हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज द amygdala. Amygdala is a part of your brain which is associated with the fight or flight response, right? When we were hunter gatherers, we used to be very cautious कि हमारे आसपास कौन है, क्या हमारे आसपास कोई शेर है या फिर कोई और एनिमल है. सो वी वर वेरी कॉशियस ऑफ एवरीथिंग बिकॉज वी वर लुकिंग फॉर द नेगेटिविटी अराउंड अस. वी वर लुकिंग फॉर वॉट इज रॉन्ग इन आर सराउंडिंग्स एंड दैट हेल्प्ड अस स्टे अलाइव. Fast forward to 2023, there are no animals, there are no monsters around us. There is just the work that needs to be done, but still our amygdala is thinking what is wrong, what is negative in my surrounding, what am I missing out on. ये जो fear of missing out होते हैं ना, that is primarily because of the amygdala of your brain. And the best thing you can do is to let go of the thoughts that your amygdala has by looking at what the prefrontal cortex does. A prefrontal cortex is another part of your brain which is responsible for all of your actions, for the control that you have in your life, for accomplishing all the goals that you have in your life. There is a constant tug of war going on between your amygdala and the prefrontal cortex. amygdala बोलता है कि अच्छा ये देखो ये वाली चीज़ में कुछ गलत हो रहा है या फिर यहाँ पे कुछ गलत हो रहा है. Around you when you have things, amygdala is constantly switching context कि अच्छा मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं करी, अच्छा मेरे को ये भी करना है. And it is just cluttering your mind. But whereas prefrontal cortex is the one which is actually motivating you to go hit the gym, to go learn that skill, to go work on that assignment, to go read that book, to do the hard thing every single day. And so the focus should be on using your prefrontal cortex to win over the amygdala of your brain. And the best way to do that is dopamine detox. It is a process in which every single day you look around your life and you figure out ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जिससे मुझे एक instant dopamine hit मिलता है, जिससे मुझे instant sugar rush मिलता है एक, right? Like scrolling reels on Instagram, it could be reading Twitter and all the hateful comments over there. It could also be, just scrolling on shopping websites. It could also be watching Netflix, playing video games, watching porn, and the list just goes on. And you start to eradicate each of these from your life. If you don't have junk food in your house, you will stop eating junk food. If you don't have Netflix subscription, you will stop watching Netflix. If you don't have distractions and things around you, you will automatically stop consuming that. And it is as simple as that. Just take up this idea of eradicating all the quick dopamine hits around your life and you will instantly be able to focus better. इससे you will reprogram your mind into focusing on getting dopamine on the hard things, like going for a gym session for 1 hour, focusing on your health, eating better, focusing on your skincare, and that is how you will get dopamine, focusing on the career growth that you're having, focusing on the long lasting relationships that you're building with your parents, with your loved ones, with your girlfriend, or whoever it is. The focus should be on limiting the dopamine that you're having. It could be sugary food, it could be all of the distractions I've told you. Eradicate that and you will instantly be able to do the hard things every day in your life. If this video helps you, make sure that you hit the like button and share this video with a friend of yours. You can also click a screenshot of this video and post it on social media and tag me on Instagram at Ishan Sharma 7390. Start the habit, reduce the decisions that you're making every day, go for nature walks, write everything you're thinking on a piece of paper and start executing. I wish you all the very best in your life. Make sure that you subscribe. And if you're still watching, write in the comment section, I watched till the very end. If you have any questions, let me know about that as well in the comments and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.